Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Popdeng token. Now this is a combination of two different memes, the very popular Popcat token, which is probably like the biggest cat-based meme coin, I would think, and as far as market cap goes. And the new, very popular Moodeng token, which is like a baby hippo meme. And so now we have Popdeng, a combination of both memes. And this token is trending #1 right now on DEX Screener in the Solana section, doing very well. It just came out under 24 hours ago. Name of the token, Popdeng, and that is also the ticker symbol. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, trending #1 right now on DEX Screener, has a market cap of $992,000. So it's hanging around $1 million market cap right now. That is also their fully diluted valuation. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $12.7 million. Token is up 1,537% in the past 24 hours. Now they have $127,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to DEX Screener, 99.86% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. Now, if you are looking to get this token, it is on the Solana blockchain, so you will need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet. Now you would fund that wallet with Sol, and you can fund it with Sol from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC, fund the wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for the Popdeng token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, popdengsol.xyz. Real easy to find that. They also have a buy here button. You click on that on their webpage, that will take you right over to Raydium, and it's right beside the contract address on their webpage too as well. Real easy to find everything. You probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything yet about taxes, but we'll check everything to see if they have tokenomics and whatnot. And you are going to have to pay a little bit of gas fees when buying tokens off Raydium, so just be aware of that. Now, the token may also become available on other dexes like Jupiter, Meteora, Orca, etc. And maybe if, the token continues to do well, they might get central exchange listings. And that is why you would follow their socials. So on their webpage, popdengsol.xyz, you can find a link to the DEX Screener chart. It's also, you can see the chart on DEX Tools, Bird Eye. You can find the token on SolScan. But they have a Twitter, Telegram link on their webpage. There's a little hippo there. It says click to pop, and then you can change the mouth. It's pretty funny. But yeah, so their Telegram, if you want to follow that for updates like new token listings, new partnerships, announcements, it is at Popdeng in Sol. 923 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. And then another great place to see updates is their Twitter. And as usual, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here so you guys can easily find this here. Now it says their Twitter address is Popdeng in Sol. And it says viral little hippo that pops, now popping on the Solana blockchain. And then it has a link to the token owner at Morpheus Whale, it says here. Then it has a link to the Telegram. Just joined in May 2024 on this Twitter here. 15,500 Twitter followers and 18 tweets. In their pinned tweet here from 23 hours ago, it says Popdeng is now live, has the contract address, and it says to celebrate our launch, we're giving away 2 million Popdeng among the first 500 to retweet and drop wallets. So they have 539 retweets. So unfortunately, that is over. But if you stay tuned and you follow the Twitter and the Telegram, maybe there's going to be some more updates and things like that. So they have all sorts of memes and crazy stuff all over the web, the Twitter and the web page as well. So the viral little hippos tokenomics, it says tax is 0%, so you will not have to worry about slippage. It says LP burnt, total supply 1 billion tokens. So this token here was actually just created 23 hours, 10 minutes ago on Raydium, so brand new project. They do have a quick audit here on DEX tools, and it says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable. But just be aware that is just a quick audit. They don't go over everything in the quick audits. And if you go over to DEX tools, you're also going to find another quick audit over there. Now, this token was created on pump.fun. You could tell because the address ends in pump. And they have here a quick Intel security audit on DEX tools as well as a DEX score. Now, they says here that contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. So that's what it says on their other quick audit. But again, keep in mind those are just quick audits. We'll also check their rug check here on their Sol scan. Right now they have 6,087 holders, doing very well. 6 decimal places on this token. Their rug check says risk analysis is good. LP locked at 99.87%. The Raydium pool contains 6.8% of the tokens, and the top holder only has 1.34% of the tokens. So, trending number 1 right as of now. Go check this token out. DEX Tools, DEX Screener. They've been doing marketing boosts as well, promoting the token. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.